Hi Plonkers, Daft Scots here, and today is Rugby Friday. Rugby Friday in South Africa at the moment is quite festive. Means we get to wear our rugby jerseys to support our team Go Bokke. Yesterday the Bokke played Namibia and totally thrashed them. I think the score was 87-0 or 83-0 or something ridiculous like that. But Go Bokke, they're doing fantastic. Those boys are a strong bunch of rugby players and quite easy on the eye, if I do say so myself. Anyway, that's not the point. Not only is it Rugby Friday today, but tomorrow in South Africa is National Heritage Day. And normally what happens on National Heritage Day is we all get together for a braai. So it's also National Braai Day. Friday, Braai, oh no, it's Saturday and it's Heritage Day. So yes, it's National Braai Day, so we're all going to get together and hang around the braai, cook our meat and make salads and breads and all those nice scrummy yummy things and celebrate National Braai Day. I mean, it's like quite a popular thing to braai in South Africa. In fact, if you don't smell a braai happening over the weekend, it's usually December and everybody's fucked off to the coast. Just want to thank everybody for entering my Eden Fantasies giveaway. It was won by Mama Win It Mama, something like that. I'll put her link below. Sorry for not remembering offhand. Enjoy spending your $30 gift certificates on whatever you feel you need or want. I'm going to be having another giveaway pretty soon for that, maybe in October sometime, which is just around the corner. Have an awesome weekend, brilliant, have a brilliant National Heritage Day / Braai Day / rugby / whatever else you're gonna do. I'm rambling now, so I'm gonna go. Have a great weekend. Bye!
You stick around. You figure it out.